Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the ignition module wire harness in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire in boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. And empty the fuel tank. Note the orientation of the primer and intake hoses, then disconnect them from the carburetor. Set the leaf blower on its side and use a T27 Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the tank to the base. Slide the tank assembly out. Using the T27 Torx bit, unthread the screw securing the ignition module cover. Lift off the cover. Detach the grommet and free the wires. Disconnect the ignition wire. Then unthread the left ignition module mounting screw to release the grounding wire. Disconnect the bullet connectors to remove the old wire harness. Install the new ignition module wire harness by first connecting the bullet connectors. Now secure the wires in the grommet. Then connect the ignition wire to the module and secure the grounding wire with the screw. Reposition the grommet. Then realign the module cover and secure it with the screw. Slide the fuel tank assembly into place on the base and replace the screws to secure. Connect the intake and primer hoses to the appropriate ports on the carburetor. With the repair completed, reattach the wire in boot to the spark plug, refill the fuel tank, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.